Good day everyone! Kamusta? I hope you're doing great. Handa na ba kayong may matutunan ngayong araw? My name is Ma'am Elizabeth PINGKAY and I would like to welcome you to Matuto. Today, kids, I will discussing you about measures of central tendency of ungrouped data. Now, let's have a look at our objectives for today's lesson. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to define mean, median, and mode. Find mean, median, and mode of the given set of the data. Describe the data in terms of mean, median, and mode. Bago natin simulan ang aralin ngayong araw, ay may mga hinanda akong activity para sa inyo. Handa na ba kayong matuto? Okay, great! Sa unang activity, madali lamang ang gagawin ninyo. You must arrange the numbers from increasing order. That is from less to greatest and you have 1 minute to do it. Understand? Good! Your timer starts now! Time's up! Ngayon, tignan natin ang wastong pagkakasunod ng mga numbers from less to greatest. Lahat ba ay nakakuha ng tamang sagot? Kapag hindi, huwag kayong mag-alala dahil marami pa akong hinandang mga activities para sa inyo in order for you to gain more knowledge about our lesson for today. Anyway, kids, what do you observe from the placards? May nakasulat na, tama! The data given are all numbers. Paano kung gagamitin ko itong mga data bilang grades ng 10 students? Alam nyo ba that this data can also be summarized into single number or single data aside from adding this data with the use of summation method? So just be with me until the end of my discussion as I'm going to discuss you about measure of central tendency of ungrouped data. Ngayon, pumunta tayo sa ating pangalawang activity. Our second activity is called anagram. So you have to arrange the jumbled letter and guess the word to make the statement complete. Write your answer on the blank provided before each number. I'll give you 10 seconds to arrange jumbled letters and guess the word. Are you ready? So, let's begin with number 1. The correct answer is mean. Very good. Next. The correct answer is median. Excellent. The last one. The correct answer is mode. Wow! You are all correct. It's feel that you will understand easily our lesson for today. Math often deals with the data sets, and data sets are often just collections of the numbers. These numbers may be the result of scientific measurements or surveys, or other data collection methods. Halimbawa, ang mga test scores ng bawat student in the particular class ay tinatawag na data set. Another example, you want to record the weights of each member of your family into the data set. Those data sets are fairly small and easy to understand. Ngunit, pwede rin itong magkaroon ng mas malaking data sets. Example, you want to keep a record of how many family member each household in your community has. Or gusto mong malaman kung anong hayop ang mabilis lumangoy living under the sea. Those data sets would contain a lot of different numbers. And if you had to look at big data set all at one time, talaga namang mahihirapan kang intindihin ito. Or masasabi mo na lang, well, that's a lot of numbers. Kaya meron tayong mean, median, and mode na makakatulong sa atin. They are the three measures of the central tendency that can give us useful and easy to understand information about the data. Ngayon ay ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo ang bawat property and how to calculate them for any particular data set. Let's start with the mean. Mean is the most commonly used measure of central tendency. It is the average of the set of given numbers. Average, yes, mean means average. It is found by adding the values of the data and dividing by the total of the values. It is given with the formula, which means mean equals sum of all data points divided by the numbers of the data points. To understand what is it, let's look at the simple data set contains 5 numbers. So, from the formula given, let us now try to analyze and then substitute the given values to the given formula. So, mean equal to sum all data points which are 89, 90, 90, 95, 99 divided by numbers of data points which is 5. 89 plus 90 plus 92 plus 95 plus 99 equal to 465. And now, let us divide 465 into 5. 465 divided by 5 is equal 93. Hence, the means of grade 5 students is 93. Other example, the 5 layers of volleyball team have the scores of 10, 15, 20, 10, and 25. Can you find the mean of given set? Okay, so I'll give you 30 seconds to solve it. Time's up! Tignan natin kung tama nga ba ang sagot ninyo. Gamit ang ating formula, mean equal to sum all data points which are 10, 15, 20, 10, 25 divided by the numbers of points which is 5. 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 10 plus 25 is equal to 80. And now, let us divide 80 into 5. 80 divided by 5 is 16. Therefore, the mean score of 5 layers of volleyball is equal to 16. Let us proceed to the second measure of the central tendency. The median. Median is the middle of the data set. Yes, the middle. The median will be either the specific value or will fall between the two values. Sa paghahanap ng median ng isang dataset ay madali lang, and sometimes it's hard. Sapagkat sa paghahanap ng middle value ng isang dataset ay kinakailangang nakaayos mo na ito from the less to the greatest or vice versa. Minsan, kung maraming numbers sa isang dataset, it might take a lot of work to put them in the right order if they are not already the way. For example, to find the median, we have to arrange first the data increasing order that is from less to greatest or vice versa. So, 6, 7, 8. Now, we have the data set. Sa paghahanap ng median or middle sa data set na ito ay madali lamang. Ito ay 7 dahil ang 7 ay makikita sa gitna ng 6 and 8. Another example, the weight of your fats are 13, 55, 25, 15, 89, and 7 in pounds. To find the median, we have to arrange first the data increasing order. 7, 13, 15, 25, 55, 89. The middle number are 15 and 25. Since the middle point falls between 15 and 25, so in order to get the median, we need to get the mean of these two values. So, with the given formula, 15 plus 25 equals 40. And now, let us divide 40 into 2. 2 dahil 15 and 25 lamang ang pinag-add natin. 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20. Therefore, the median of the given data is equal to 20. Let us proceed to the next measure of central tendency, mode. Mode is the value that occurs most often in the data set. It is a value with the greatest frequency. A data can have more than one or none at all. Ang mode ay kung anong number ang pinakamadalas na lumalabas sa isang data set. 6 students in your class, for example, have math grades of 90, 92, 95, 89, 90, and 99. Since 90 is the value that most often occur in the given data. Therefore, 90 is the mode. Did you get it? Very good! So now, I want you to solve or to get mode of the given data in 30 seconds. Timer starts now! Time's up! Ngayon, tignan natin kung tama nga ba ang inyong sagot. On the given data, may kita nating 2 beses na lumabas yung 206 at 2 beses din lumabas yung 265. That means they tie for the title of mode. This set has 2 modes, 206 and 265. Good job! Muli, kapag sinabi nating mean of the data set, tumutukoy ito sa tama! The average of data set. How about the median? Very good! The middle of data set. Samantalang ang mode. Good job! The value that occurs most often in the data set. Para hindi nyo malimutan ang tatlong ito, ating awitin ang mean, median, mode, sum.
Let us sing this song to the tune of Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Ready? Mode, mode, mode's the most, average is the mean. Median, 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 the number in between. Mode, mode, mode's the most, average is the mean. Median, 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 the number in between.
Good job, class! Ngayon ay alam nyo na kung ano ang mean, median, and mode of the dataset are. Let's put all the new information to use on one final real-world example. Suppose you are asked to record of the daily high temperatures for the last 12 days, which were recorded as 81, 81, 72, 69, 70, 70, 72, 72, 83, 84, 72, and 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So, let's find the mean, median, and mode of this dataset. First, to find the mean, we need to add up the numbers, temperature for the last 12 days. Pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator or you can do additional by hand. Just be careful dahil maraming numbers ang kailangan i-add at upang maiwasang magkamali. 81 plus 81 plus 72 plus 69 plus 70 plus 70 plus 72 plus 72 plus 83 plus 84 plus 72 plus 68 equal the answer I get is 894. So that's the total of the numbers temperatures, but to the get mean numbers temperatures, we need to divide the total by the numbers of the days, which is 12. 894 divided by 12 is 74.5. So the mean or average is 74.5. Next, Para hanapin natin ang median the given dataset, we're going to rearrange the 12 data points in order from the smallest to largest para malaman natin kung ano ang middle value. There you go! Since there are even numbers of the members in this set, we can just choose the middle number. So we're going to have to pick the middle two numbers and define the mean of them. 72 and 72 are in the middle since there's an equal number of the data values on either side of them. So we need to take the mean of 72 and 72. Madali lang yan. 72 plus 72 equals 144. And then the 144 divided by 2 is equal 72. So, the median number temperature for the last 12 days is 72. Last of all, let's identify the mode of this data set. Let's see, merong dalawang 70s in the data set at meron ding 81 sa data set. Is 70 and 81 is the mode of this data set? Hindi pa, dahil ang 72 ay may apat na values that looks like the most frequent number, so 72 is the mode of this data. Very good! Give yourself a good job clap! Alright, so that's the basic of mean, median, and mode. They are the three really useful properties of data sets, and now you know how to find them. Just remember that mean means average, median in the middle, and the mode is the most often that occurs. So kids, that is the end of my discussion. Sana may natutunan kayo ngayong araw dahil importante matuto sa math. Hanggang sa muli!